morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Kalin. I've been a guitarist for 12 years now. I got 2 successful bands and a single album, and today I'll be showing you how to write guitar solos. So we're going to begin with how to write solo licks. What is a solo lick, first of all? Solo licks are usually like the smallest part of a solo, and you can have and then when you combine them all together, you get a full solo. How do you write solos then? What I usually do is I get inspired from different guitarists. For example, I look in Dimebag Darrell from Pantera or Kirk Hammett from Metallica. Try to combine their styles. Or for example, we've got Yngwie Malmsteen, Alexi Wyatt from Children of Bodom. So what you want to do is not copy the exact same solo, but make it better. Make it simply better. And what you want to do is get inspiration from these guys. That way, when you mix different styles from guitarists, you're gonna have your own unique style. So for example, I learned this solo by Pantera. It's from the song Domination. And Dimebag does something like this. Alright? And then what I did is I wrote my own solo and I did something similar but a bit different. So I did something like this. Again, solo. Okay, then for example, I had this inspiration from Children of Bodom, like. So I wrote something similar, like this. Right, and from Metallica, like from Master of Puppets, I used this bit to get inspiration from, like. And it became a part from one of my songs called Attack. Alright, slowly. The next thing that we can discuss is how to write lead melodies. Lead melodies are usually in the background of your chorus or your verse or anywhere in the song that you want to have something catchy to the listener and make them sing it. As I mentioned, you can use these as chorus background. That way you don't want to emphasize on them. Or you can have dedicated sections where instead of using lyrics, you're just using a melody to express the meaning. And I'm gonna give you some examples. So recently I joined this band and I learned this melody that's supposed to be in the background, of course. That is a lead melody right before the solo. Alright, and you just loop that. Another melody that I wrote that you can get inspiration from is one of my songs, Fear Me, and it sounds like this. Catchy, isn't it? And then again, from the same song, I used a different melody. One of them was inspired by Iron Maiden, and the other one was inspired by Machine Head. And here it goes. And of course, you can use harmonies, which is 3 tones above, to make it more diverse. And as a bonus to this video, we're going to be talking about time signatures. What is a time signature? It's basically the number of notes that you can play inside the number of beats. Uneven time signatures are those that they sound a bit odd because you're cutting off a riff. You basically want to repeat a riff or melody unexpectedly. Time signatures like this are 7/8, 9/8, 5/4, 3/4, and a polyrhythm is basically stacking different rhythms on top of each other. For example, you can have 3 4/4, and you can play on top of that for 3/4. So you can have like a leading rhythm and the rhythm in the background. You should try experimenting with your own riffs and making them more polymorphic, or by utilizing uneven time signatures. I'm gonna give you some examples from songs. It's actually gonna be riffs from songs that I got inspired and actually opened me in a way to these type of signatures. And the first one is gonna be Quasimodo by Monument. And the other one is going to be Icarus Lives by Periphery. Just try experimenting with different time signatures and try to find your own unique style. I hope this video was useful, and please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.